What's up guys, welcome back to another HyperX Ruben video here today. We'll be unboxing a new Elgato 4K60 S Plus capture card. If you guys are excited to see the unboxing, make sure you guys like and subscribe so you guys don't miss out on future content like these unboxings. Without waiting guys, let's get straight into the video. Alright guys, so like I said guys, we'll be unboxing the Elgato 4K60 S Plus capture card. First things first, moving on to the right hand side of the packaging, you can see that in order for you guys to capture 4K 60 frames per second in HDR, you need to log into Elgato's website and then obviously go through the software and then download its drivers in order for you to do that. I'll leave a link down in the description below. As you can see here at the bottom of the right hand side, we can see the contents of the box. So as you can see, we can get the, not sure if you can see that, there we are. So we can see the actual capture card will be included, the power supply, 2 USB 3.0 cables, and then 1 HDMI 2.0 cable. More towards the back will be the I/O part of the packaging. So you can see that it includes audio input, the record button, an SD card slot, which we will talk about later on during the video, the 2 USB 3.0s, 1 HDMI input, and then 1 HDMI output. And then to the right is obviously nothing there. So unboxing the packaging. Let's see if you can do this. Beautiful. There we are. Oh, looks like I can get this part. There we are. So this is what you should expect to see while unboxing the 4K60 S Plus capture card. So we'll leave this to the side. So first things first is you get a little quick start guide. Let's open through that and skim through. So obviously there's two features on how you can actually capture your devices using one, the more traditional way, which is PC recording, and then the other, which is SD card standalone recording. But again guys, we'll go through this more in depth later on during the video, but that's the quick start guide there. This is the capture card itself. So as you can see, this is the front, record button, audio input, SD card slot. Here's the bottom. At the back is the I/O, and that's the top. I'll probably say it's not that heavy, a little bit obviously bigger than a credit card, but yeah, I'm actually happy with the size of the actual capture card itself. Down here is the first USB-C cable that we get here, and then directly next to it is the second one. And then at the bottom is the HDMI 2.0 cable, which you guys will need if you guys do want to do the traditional PC recording method. And then inside this brown box here, what do we have here? So we've got some conversion kits as well for power supply. So I believe this is the Europe one. This is the American one, I believe. This is the actual power supply, which came out in the packaging already. So that's the actual power supply. Pretty big, but at the same time it's small. And then there's the UK one. And I believe this will be the warranty inside. So this right here is the safety information leaflet. I'm sure no one wants to go through that. Oh, what's this at the bottom here? So it looks like we've got something at the bottom of the box. I believe it's a card. I'm not quite sure what this is, guys, but it looks like a sticker of some sorts. But anyway, we're gonna put this away and then we're actually gonna talk about the actual capture card, guys. So let's just put that all away. So guys, here's the capture card here in itself. So like I said guys, this is different to Elgato's other capture card lineups where you have the original HD60S and the S Plus, and then also if you guys want to do insert into your PCIe slot in your PCs, then you can have the HD60 Pro and then the 4K S Plus Pro, I believe, for the 4K version for that. So the good thing about this, you don't need a high-end PC for you to start recording your gameplay for live streaming, for capturing your gameplays. because it's so portable. And there are two methods that you can use to obviously record your gameplay, which is again the more traditional way, the PC recording, where you connect this to the PC, to your console, and record as so using OBS, YouTube, so on and so forth. Or you can use the second method, which is new, which is an SD card recording, where you insert an SD card, hit the record button, and it'll record the gameplay for you. Make sure you guys connect your headphones in so you can include your own voice and also any game / party chat noises as well. Connect that into your PC, into your video editing software, and then you guys can continue editing from there. So that's one good thing about obviously the reason why I purchased this as well. The second thing is we're going to talk about more about the SD card version. So like myself, where I haven't got the budget to buy a mid or even a low end PC for streaming and also capturing, I will use this capture card so I can connect my SD card here, obviously press the record button there. Once I finish recording, repress the record button again. It will flash for I think 3 to 5 seconds. Once it stops flashing, you're ready to take out the SD card, put it into your laptop or your PC or whatever that can read an SD card. Obviously go into my video editing software and then continue recording. The old method that I used to have was very unorthodox, where obviously I had I have a MacBook Air, and I had a USB stick, and obviously I had to reformat the USB sticks in order for me to record constantly, and it just wasn't good for the future. The good thing about this capture card as well, that it actually includes an encoder chip. So if you guys want to record while keeping your file sizes down, it's got an onboard encoder chip there, so it can encode in H.264 and then H.265 only if you're recording in the 4K 60 frames HDR standard. It can also record up to 7 hours of gameplay on your SD card, but your SD card slot size needs to be 256 megabytes. That's obviously how they've done that 7 hours of recorded gameplay. It can pass through with 0 lag, so once you connect this to your monitor, you won't see any latency between yourself and obviously the monitor. While you are capturing, you could see a delay from 0 all the way up to 250 milliseconds, which isn't too bad. Obviously when you're recording, just obviously make sure that you're syncing it all up together. And the last thing as well that is good, that it obviously connects using USB 3.0, which is the fastest way to transfer obviously your recordings and obviously any file transfers you need to transfer over. I do believe Thunderbolt could be faster, but that's going to be another topic. But yeah, so guys, I really recommend this capture card. It is a bit pricey. Again, I'll leave all the links down in the description from where I got this, and also any other further details you guys may need. But if you guys did enjoy this unboxing, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel if you haven't. It'll help me out loads. We've been here, and I'm out.